If you do composites in Photoshop, I'm sure you've run into the situation of you download an isolated photo, but it still has a white background, making it kind of useless inside Photoshop if you want to use it as a layer. In this quick video, I'm going to show you a cool tip for turning white to transparent in Photoshop. All right, let's go ahead and open this white to transparent. And I'm sure you've run into this where you've downloaded an image that's isolated, but it has a white background, making it really hard to use as a layer in Photoshop. So I'm going to show you how you can take this white and make it a mask on this layer. So first, let's go ahead and make a copy of the layer. And I'm going to go ahead and add a solid color underneath. Let's make this red for now. And then I'm going to double click on this, and on the blend if options for this layer, I'm going to start moving this until my white disappears. So to right about there, and then I'm just going to hold down option and split this so we don't have too strong clipping. So something like this, and then hit OK. All right, so now I have this transparency, but it's not in the layer itself. So if I command and click on the layer thumbnail, I'm not getting that transparency. So in order to get around that issue, what I'm going to do is just make a blank transparent layer, make sure it's underneath my background, and then hold down Shift so I have both layers collected or selected. And then we're going to do merge layers, Command E. And now you can see my transparency is now baked into that layer. So if I command click, I can make a selection of the leaves, and then on my original layer, I can throw away these other two. I can go ahead and add a mask. So now I have my white is gone, and I have a mask of the object that has the white from the original layer as transparent. Now, because this is a mask, I can go in here and kind of clean up anything that it didn't do perfectly well. But I've gotten myself 90% of where I want to be in just a few clicks. Now, if you want to make this even fewer clicks, I actually do have an action that does this, which are part of my Nucly actions, and I'll include a link to where you can buy those. But with this action, all I do is click on this, and voila, I've turned my white into transparent. Very useful when you're doing any kind of compositing in Photoshop with downloaded images. So there you have it. That's how you can take white, turn it into transparent in Photoshop. Hopefully you can use this trick in your own projects and also see how you can use that blend if trick to get rid of white where you don't want it.